How do I properly clean and polish aluminum wheels with vinegar?
Hello, car enthusiasts. Today, we are going to learn a quick, efficient, and economical way of keeping your aluminum wheels spotless and shiny. You'll be surprised to know that we are using a household staple, vinegar, to do this job. Let's get started.
Why use vinegar?
Vinegar, specifically white vinegar, is a powerful cleaning agent that is safe to use on aluminum. It's effective because it naturally dissolves dirt and residue, and it's ideal for cleaning and polishing aluminum wheels. Not only is it an economical choice, but it's also eco-friendly, which is always a bonus.
What will you need?
To effectively clean and polish your aluminum wheels using vinegar, you need the following items: white vinegar, water, a bucket, a sponge or soft cloth, a soft bristle brush, aluminum polish, microfiber cloths.
The cleaning process.
1. Preparation. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in your bucket. This will be your cleaning solution. 2. Cleaning. Dip your soft cloth or sponge into the cleaning solution and apply it to the aluminum wheels. Rub gently to avoid scratching the aluminum surface. 3. Scrubbing. For stubborn dirt and stains, use a soft bristle brush. Dip it in the cleaning solution and scrub the affected areas until the dirt is gone. 4. Rinsing. Once you've cleaned all the areas, rinse off the wheels with clean water to remove the vinegar solution. Ensure no residue is left. 5. Drying. Use the microfiber cloths to dry off the wheels. It's important to prevent any water spots from forming, as they can cause damage over time.
The polishing process.
1. Apply the polish. Once the wheels are completely dry, apply a small amount of aluminum polish to another clean microfiber cloth. 2. Polishing. Gently rub the polish onto the wheel in a circular motion. Make sure to cover all areas for an even shine. 3. Buffing. After applying the polish, use another clean microfiber cloth to buff the wheel until it shines. This is the final step that will give your wheels that new, shiny look. Voila! There you have it, a simple and cost-effective way to clean and polish your aluminum wheels using vinegar. You can enjoy the beauty of your shiny wheels while also knowing you've chosen an eco-friendly option. Happy cleaning, and remember, a shiny wheel is a happy wheel.